me back with another haul video. And yes, if you see me and I have on the same clothes, it's because it's the same day as the vlog that I posted up, either before this video or after the video. Okay, so today we did something a little bit different. I went to Michael's and I went to the Christmas tree shop instead of the Dollar Tree today, and I hope that you find something that you enjoy in this vlog. If you guys don't have a Christmas tree shop in your city, look for the nearest one. I love that store. It reminds me of like a Hobby Lobby slash Big Lots slash Target. I don't know. Some of everything is in that store. So if you do have one nearby and you have not stopped in, please check it out. The name kind of throws you off a little bit, but it is an awesome store. You can find awesome deals in there for home as well as the kitchen and all that good stuff. Anyhow, let's get started with today's haul. And just remember, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscription button below. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and as well leave me a comment in this video. I do reply to my comments. And yeah, follow me on social media too. I follow back. So with that being said, enough rambling. Let me get on to it. I'm gonna start off with the Michael's haul because it's gonna be two parts. I'm in the process of starting to paint. It's gonna be my new hobby, so to speak. So I had to go pick up some paint to add to the paints that I already have, the acrylic paints that I already have. And I've had some of the paints that I've had for a couple years now, so I'm refreshing my stock, I guess you should say, and testing out different colors. I'm going to be making abstract art as well as experimenting with the fluid pours, the pour methods. So yeah, I'll be making videos on that as well. I think that's where I'm going to gear my channel towards in the near future, actually, because you know, art is therapy, and why not? So with that being said, a couple weeks ago I did go pick up some canvases. I'm not sure if you can see this one. These were on sale, and that's why I picked up these ones. It's a 2-pack, 16 by 20, and I'm thinking that this will be a perfect size for a hallway. I'm not sure if I'm going to do abstract on these or if I'm going to save these for when I print out some portraits and decoupage them on here. So I don't know yet what I'm going to do with these canvases, but it was a great deal. This was what, $5.99 for 2 canvas, and it also came with a miniature little set of acrylic paints, which is good. I think these are the primary colors, so always good to have those. And that's the Artist Loft brand. This right here is like your basic canvas. They do have different levels of canvas for those who are artists. I'm not an artist, but from what I've been told and what I've come to know, there are different levels and different quality canvases. I'm starting off with the cheap because I'm learning, okay? Anyhow, this is what I picked up. I thought it was a good deal. 2 of them for under $6. The regular price is what? I don't know. I don't even know what the regular price is, but it's definitely not $5. And also when I went there, I picked up 4 of the 4 little paints, little 2-ounce bottles. So I have the pearlizing medium, and that's basically what you pour into your acrylic paint to get that pearlized effect. This right here is just a, what is that? That is the dark yellow color. This right here is a metallic champagne color. I thought that was really pretty, especially to add into it. I'm not sure if you really see that on camera, but it's like a gold color, I guess you could say, if that picks it up. And a black, of course. Always need some black paint. And I also picked these up because I had a coupon that was 40% off one original price item. And you can always use spatulas and all that other stuff, especially if you are doing abstract painting. So I was able to get all of that right there for, what was it? Wrong receipt. $12.07, of course, plus tax. And I was able to use military discount of 15%. and then a 40% coupon. So that's pretty cool. Original price would have been $20, so I saved $8.07. And then today I went back and picked up some more paint, of course. I still want to go back and get different size canvases, but I'm gonna wait for another good coupon to do that, a good sale on that, because I want a couple really big canvases. I mean, because sometimes they can be $30, $40 each. So practice with these, go pick up some later. Anyhow, I got some more paint, of course, and this time around I got what is this, the suede color. I thought that was pretty cool. It's almost like a khaki color, I guess you should say. This right here is a powder pink. I thought that was really pretty. I know that that's not showing up on camera at all. Can you see that? It's like a powder pink color. Here is a coral color. This light, yeah, coral color. This is a campground green. I was looking for like a hunter green color, but I really like the richness of that color green. And of course a navy, can't really go wrong with a dark blue. I was looking for a midnight blue, so I think I might just have to find a different brand. I think the Artist Loft actually has a midnight blue. It costs a little bit more, so I'm just gonna have to invest in that color. And then of course I got the Blanco, or the white, and I got a bigger bottle of this because I may be mixing this in with a fluid medium, and primarily the basis of everything I paint will need white, so it's best to keep that always on hand in a bigger quantity, larger quantity, I guess I should say. And today's total at Michael's would have been $7.14. I paid $6.11 because I was able to use military discount as well as a 40% coupon on the white paint, because that was original price, and the other discount applied to everything else. So that's not too bad for all those paints. They're basically between like 79 cents and $1 each anyway, so I saved about 12 to 15 cents per bottle today, plus got a 40% off coupon to come back and use, as well as did the survey on the bottom of the receipt, got another 25% coupon. So if you guys shop in Michael's, you know how it is. They love giving coupons. If you use them, if you don't use them, then that's really just on you. So that was my Michael's haul. Next up, I found some really good deals at the Christmas tree shop. Woo. Let me get this all together. That's what I need to do. So yeah, went to the Christmas tree shop. And 3 bags worth of stuff. I paid, let's see, $6.26 whole cent for all of it. So yeah, literally everything I got was under $2, if not, you know, under $1. I made out like a bandit at the Christmas tree shop today. So I'll show you what I got. I looked up on an awesome deal while I was there. They made an announcement about this, what I'm going to show you right now. I'm sorry I'm making so much noise, but I have a lot of paper to unwrap. So they had glass mugs on sale, and these are by Libby Glass. Shout out to T-Town, Libby Glass, yes. And 2 different shapes they had. So I have the roundish shape, like the little traditional mug, and also the more squared off shape. Anyhow, these were 3 for $1. 3 for $1 for what, 13-ounce mugs? Yes. So yes, I had to go and get them. I got 6 mugs, 3 of each shape. So 6 mugs for $2, glass mugs, Libby Glass. Very reputable company. I might be a little biased because it's from my hometown, and usually when I go home I end up going to the outlet and then have my mom ship them to me and hoping that they don't break. But I wanted some glass mugs. I've wanted some clear glass mugs for the longest. I finally have them, and I might have to go back and get a couple more. So those were $3 for $1. I have 6 of those. I needed a water tumbler for work because I'm always losing mine. This went on clearance while I was there. Also, they were doing a walkthrough and marking things down while I was in there, and this right here was, let's see, $1.48, and then I saved an additional 10% off of everything with military discount, of course. So that right there. This right here, set of 4 placemats, and they have several different colors to choose from, but I really like this color. Nice solid color. Simple placemats. These are polyester and cotton blend. Set of 4, and they were already on clearance for 98 cents. And then 10% off of that was what? 88 cents for the placemats. I got a little bamboo chopping board, cutting board. I have a couple of these, the larger ones, of course, and I'm always looking for something that I could just keep in a drawer for when I'm cutting up just like some carrots or some garlic or something. I don't want to pull out the big ones, so that was $1. And of course I got 10% off of that, 90 cents for a cutting board. And last but not least, a can opener. This was 99 cents, went on clearance for 98 cents, regular price $2.99, and 10% off of that right there, which made that 88 cents as well. So I got what, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items for $6.26 at the Christmas tree shop. I am ecstatic because I was on my way to the Dollar Tree today, and something told me go ahead and stop in there because I was in the area anyway, so why not? So I hope that you guys found something in this haul. If you have a Christmas tree shop, don't sleep on it. Go in there, find something, let me know what you found, make a video about it, and let me know to go check it out as well. But yeah, if you think I did good on today's haul, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like what I picked up. Let me know if you didn't like what I picked up, okay? Let me know if I need to go back and get something else, like some repeats on some things. I know I need to go back and get some of those mugs. I'm gonna go downstairs and clean the kitchen cabinet out right now and get rid of some of the old mugs that I have so I can replace everything. So with that being said, I hope that you enjoyed today's haul video. Hopefully you made it this far. If you did make it this far, you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make weekly vlog hauls. Well, actually no, I'm not hauling every week. I'm trying to incorporate vlogs and hauls as well as painting now. So if you are into some of any and everything, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. There's always something different going on. I'm trying to be more consistent, trying to be a little bit more fluid in what I put up on my channel. There's no one particular style that I have going on. I'm just me, being me, loving you guys as well. And just as usual, have a beautiful day and have a beautiful life. Bye.